Hi, my name's Hannah Crawford. I am 19 years old and I live here in Louisville, Kentucky, where I will be attending the Louisville Galen campus. I have a total of four siblings, one older foster sister, two older brothers, and a younger sister, and their names are Leanna, Austin, Michael, and Brianna. I also have four dogs, two Goldens named Bailey and Blue, and then two Shih Tzus named Rambo and Rocky. And Rambo I've had since I was 5 years old, and he is 15 years old as last month, so he's my little old man. Some of my interests and things I'm really passionate about is dance, and I have done competitive dance since I was in sixth grade, but I've danced almost all my life, and I enjoy it so much. And then when COVID came, my dance studio shut down my senior year, and so I've been kind of sad not being able to do it, but I am on my way to join another dance studio and learn a different style of dance. And I think I'm going to be learning salsa, which is something I have never learned before. And so I'm very excited for that. My goals for this course is at least to gain some more communication and practice with talking to people. I don't have a problem talking to people and interacting with people, just more so with speech. I get a little bit of anxiety and I always stumble and say a few hundred times, but that's one of my main goals is to be able to learn more communication skills and be able to deliver what's needed to be said properly. And another goal is to at least maintain a B or higher, which is my goal for almost every class is to maintain a B or higher, but I feel good that I will be able to accomplish that during this course. One of the things I plan to do after graduating is to, of course, get my license and pass the exam, and then become a pediatric travel nurse and do that for about 2 or 3 years, and then eventually come back and stay the rest of my nursing career here in Louisville. And that's just what I have hopes and dreams as of right now. But yeah, thank you for listening, and I hope you all have a wonderful day. Bye.